When handling highly potent APIs, safe practices are essential to protect employees, patients, and the environment. Thus, at CARBOGEN AMCIS, safety and quality are our key priorities. At our state-of-the-art sites in Switzerland and China, our expert staff work under strict current good manufacturing practice regulations on highly potent substances. We rely on a 4-stage concept with increasing levels of protection throughout the handling process. Strict zones, which are separated by containment technology, pressure cascades, airlocks, and access controls, ensure maximum safety and guarantee the purity of the product. This allows us to safely handle small quantities of active pharmaceutical ingredients for preclinical testing and trials, as well as large quantities for commercial use. No matter what type of requirements you have, CARBOGEN AMCIS will accompany and support you from the first steps throughout the entire process. This begins with detailed advice, the preparation of a customized offer, and the categorization of the compound. In the development laboratory, the process is then tested and tailored to the product to be developed. Analytical support is an essential component throughout the entire project. After the pilot production has been successfully completed, we move on to the production of the product. CARBOGEN AMCIS offers a wide range of services and specialized technologies such as wet milling, chromatography, and lyophilization to meet the needs of each and every customer. Because providing our customers with expertise, quality, flexibility, and the best service is our goal for every project, right from the start. Contact our experts now and bring your science to life with CARBOGEN AMCIS.